Paleo Jimbo here. And look at this house. We've got it today. We've got this house with us today. But there's something bad about the house. Do you know what's bad about the house? It's on fire!
Paleo Jimbo TV.
I think the fans wouldn't like that a lot. It's not on fire anymore. Hello. Okay. Okay, so now it's time to check out the house. Oops. Look at the inside of the house. Okay, and wait. Nope, Ninja. It's an exploding kittens. But now where's the throat?
This is what be how about this be a black cat?
And then here's some TNT for the exploding kitten. A diffuse sandwich. A laser. Pew, pew, pew. A therapy cat couch. And now it's time to play with it. Let's look back at the front again. Okay, so we need something to do. And it's a kitten. A kitten. In the chimney. A kitten in the chimney! Cat in the chimney. I will nope you. Okay. Bee.
I want to be a nope ninja.
Cat. What you doing? Okay, add some stick.
I'm just taking these dudes' heads off.
Paint me the rainbow ruffer. Rainbow. Body. His body.
And
Okay, I'm gonna do something silly to the rainbow ruffer.
And we're keeping these on.
Wait, what did you do to the Nope Ninja? He's just so cute.
And I'm the Nope Ninja. Okay, let's get started.
And we're gonna play with it. Okay, guys? Oh, so now the house.
I need to put that chair in the house.
Chair in the house.
Yeah, chairs are in houses. Paleo Jimbo.
You put it in backwards. Cat in the chimney.
I go down chimney so I
Eat. Okay, so I hope you like this. Well, bye.